Virginia Stockwell, and my channel is all about becoming a personal chef. So if you have any interest in becoming a personal chef, please subscribe. And I love answering questions on here. And if you want to send me a message and ask your question, I'll answer it in an upcoming video. Today's question is, what do you wear when you go to cook sessions? I always talk about the mistakes I made when I first started out. So when I first started out, I had zero direction, which is why I do these videos in the first place. I don't want potential chefs going out into the world having these questions unanswered, so why don't I just give you the answers? When I first started out, I totally just decided my uniform was a black t-shirt and jeans. I think it'd be a terrible mistake for you just to wear regular street clothes and go into client homes. You're not showcasing yourself as a professional this way. And shirts don't cost that much. Even if you just get a t-shirt and an apron, at least you're wearing something that says, hi, I'm a chef, and not, hi, I just came from watching TV and now I'm gonna come over your house and cook some food for you. I looked at a few companies online about where to get maybe some t-shirts made. Of course, you can go to a local print shop or something like that, but I really like this company, Chefworks. The quality of their clothes is really good. I like the way it breathes. They have different styles, they're pretty modern. I like that, you know, because I'm a woman, I want it to be fitting to my body and not be that square boxy man cut thing. So they also do embroidery, so I got my shirt here, and you can choose the color of the embroidery, you can write whatever you want. I particularly like this collared shirt. This shirt's actually about a year old, so obviously it can be washed and still looks good. I don't have any threadbare in areas or anything. I have been through some different styles though, and I like some more than others. I'm going to put a link below to some of the shirts that I like. They also have aprons and hats and some other things. If you have servers or bartenders that help you out, they have button-down shirts for them. The bottom line is just pick a uniform that you want to wear on a regular basis. Some people wear chef coats. I find them to be too thick and bulky for how I like to work. Some people like to wear those chef pants with the stripes. That's just not my style. But you know, whatever, pick your style that works for you. I do think it's important to put your logo, your name, the name of your company, something like that on your shirt though, because whenever I'm at these homes doing cooking for them, they almost always have some sort of company over, and then they see my shirt, and that's just another point of kind of a free referral. The next time they go out and see someone else who may need these kinds of services, they're going to remember the name they saw on my shirt. So it is a form of advertising your outfit, and it also shows off that you're professional. The number one way to get to a business of 100% referral is to project yourself as a true professional. And one way to do that is by showing off your image and branding yourself in your clothing. Oh yeah, I always wear this watch too. I have this Garmin watch. I mean, it does keep track of my steps and everything, but I like it because it can get wet all the time, and it gets, you know, some food in there occasionally, and I just take a toothbrush, rub it around the, you know, there's little holes in the back to keep it together, and it cleans up really well. I really like the fact especially that it's waterproof enough that I can wear it all day long, wash a million dishes, and it still works. Love it. And I'll put the link to that below because I just love it so much. So that's all I have to say. I'm just talking a lot now. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a good day.